In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable TikTok ads in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're tired of seeing repetitive ads or simply want to streamline your TikTok experience, you've come to the right place. Sit back, follow these steps, and in no time you'll enjoy a more personalized and ad-free TikTok. First things first, let's get you logged into your TikTok account. Navigate to the TikTok website or open the app on your mobile device. If you're not automatically logged in, enter your credentials. If you're new to TikTok or haven't logged in recently, this step is crucial for accessing the settings we need to adjust. Once you're in, head over to your TikTok profile. This is your personal hub where all your content lives. You'll find this by clicking on the Me icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Your profile is where the next steps will unfold, so make sure you're there before moving on. Now look to the top right corner of your profile page. You should see your profile photo. This is more than just a picture of you, it's the gateway to your TikTok settings. Give that photo a click or a tap. This action will pull up a menu revealing several options, but there's one in particular we're interested in. Within this menu, find and select Settings. This might be represented by a gear icon or simply be listed as Settings and Privacy, depending on your device. Clicking this takes you closer to our goal of disabling ads. Within the Settings menu, look for the Ads option. TikTok's settings menu is quite extensive, covering everything from account management to privacy. However, by focusing on the ads section, we're honing in on controlling the advertisements you see on the platform. After selecting ads, you'll want to find the option titled Mute Advertisers. It might sound a bit indirect, but TikTok delivers ads based on various preferences and advertiser input. By muting advertisers, you're taking a significant step toward reducing ad intrusion while using the app. Within the Mute Advertisers section, you will see an option to turn off ads. This might include hiding, muting, or blocking ads from specific advertisers. It's a way to customize which ads you see and which you don't. While it may not remove all ads, as some are integral to TikTok's operation and user experience, it dramatically decreases their frequency and pertinence. Congratulations. By following these steps, you've taken control of your TikTok ad experience. Remember, while this process won't eliminate all ads, since advertising is a part of the free TikTok experience, it does offer you a way to minimize and tailor the ads that appear. This can make your time on TikTok more enjoyable and less interrupted by content you're not interested in. A couple of extra tips to keep in mind. Firstly, TikTok regularly updates its platform and settings, so if you notice ads creeping back into your feed, it might be time to revisit these steps. Secondly, exploring TikTok's privacy and content preferences can also enhance your overall experience on the platform, making it more tailored to your interests and less cluttered with unwanted content. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you make your TikTok experience more enjoyable. Remember, simple changes in the settings can make a big difference in your social media experience. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy TikToking without the constant ad interruptions.